Hello! Chef Michael's Food Hacks. This is Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome! Hey, we're going to make some shake it up, shake it up. I know it's not shake it up, and my son yelled at me. He said, that's the wrong lyrics, Dad. We're going to make some shake it up salads today, very quick. We're going to make some coleslaw, and one of my favorites, onion, cucumber, tomato salad. But you know what? Homemade salads are the best. Now, I went and got this wonderful coleslaw mix at the grocery store. All right, I got it at the Kroger. We got this from none other than Produce on Wheels Without Waste. Please make sure you visit with them or make sure you donate online. They do food recovery and they recover tomatoes and all kinds of fruits and veggies and then get that out to the community from the local farms. I've got this dressing. It's mayonnaise, honey, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of garlic, and a tiny bit of water. Really difficult, right? You pour that over. And I like to use a spatula to get the rest out. One of my chefs called this the $1 million tool, the spatula. So anyway, get the rest of that dressing out. Now watch out. This is very difficult. Put the lid on. Make sure the lid is sealed. Otherwise you're going to get covered in dressing and that would be bad. So then I'm shaking it. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay, that's how quick. Now look how yummy that is. Isn't that delicious? Beautiful, fresh, cold slaw. Next, we have our onion, cucumber, and red Bermuda onion. Now this dressing is just, what did I put in here? Red wine vinegar, a little bit of coconut sugar, some wheeled olive, a dash of lemon juice, and a little bit of water. And you pour that over. Once again, here it comes. You cover it up and make sure it's sealed. Shake it up. Shake it up. Now don't shake it too hard because you don't want to smash your tomatoes and your cucumber, okay? Shake it up, shake it up. I'm losing it. There you go. I put a little bit too much dressing on there, but you got delicious tomatoes, onions, and cucumber dressing, okay? And I'm just going to cover it. Oh, by the way, both of these are better the next day when they soak up the dressing. And you can use those for your in-house barbecue because I know it's getting cold. You can accompany them with soups and salads and sandwiches. But here's two quick salads we did on Chef Michael's Food Hacks today. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. When you eat well, you live well.